Ramse's case was one of the most important that my law firm has ever handled. The damages for Ramse's case ran into the tens of millions of dollars. He had a severe brain injury with a skull fracture and was in the hospital for months and months at a time, and his life is forever changed as a result of this injury. His family entrusted me and my team to represent him to the best of our ability through lots of hard work and dozens of depositions, hiring some of the top medical experts in the country. We were able to get an outstanding result for Ramse. Here's their story.
I was just riding my bike and I got hit by a vehicle, by a truck.
So the result of the accident, he sustained a TBI. That kind of put us on this path that we're on now. Tom Crosley and the law firm, they came, it was actually a recommendation from another attorney. So we made the call, we trusted them, and luckily we put our trust in Tom. Yeah, nobody thinks they're gonna be in the type of situation that we were put in, but unfortunately that's, that was the role that we got dealt, the cards that we got dealt, but they've made the most of it. And so, that compassion that they showed, towards us, towards my family, all of us, it meant a lot.